There are temples that are built for God, and there's one where the God himself became the temple. Welcome to Arunachalam in Tiruvannamalai, one of the oldest and most mysterious temples in India. A place where silence speaks, where fire turned into stone, and where people say you don't visit this temple by chance. The mountain here calls you. When I say mountain, I refer Lord Shiva. According to ancient texts, there was once a divine debate between Lord Brahma and Lord Vishnu about who is the greater. To humble their pride, Lord Shiva appeared as a pillar of an infinite fire, stretching beyond heaven and earth. Lord Vishnu took the form of a boar and went downward to find the base. Lord Brahma turned into a swan and went upward to find the top. Neither of them succeeded. The eternal flame, the Jyoti, later cooled down and became this mighty mountain called Arunachala. When today devotees believe that this hill is not a symbol of Shiva, but the Shiva himself, Arunachaleshwara temple stands at the foot of this sacred hill, across 25 acres, with towering gopurams piercing the sky. This temple represents the element of Agni, fire. Among the 5 great Shiva temples, Panchabhuta Sthalam, every carving, every ritual here is linked to the idea of light. Not just outer light, but inner illumination. Because this temple doesn't just worship a deity, it worships the flame of awareness within every being. Deep inside the temple lies one of its greatest mysteries, the Patala Lingam, the underground sanctum. It was here the young sage Ramana Maharshi entered deep meditation, completely unaware of his body for days. When people found him, his body was entirely covered with insects, and yet there was not even a single wound on his body. They say the divine energy of this place protected him. Ever since, the Patala Lingam has been called a Muktisthala, place of liberation. Even today, when you step into that space, you can feel a stillness that's almost otherworldly. Every full moon night, lakhs of devotees walk barefoot around this hill. 14-kilometer long journey called Girivalam or Giri Pradakshina. It's believed that walking around this hill is equivalent to circumambulating Lord Shiva himself. And there are 8 lingams positioned around this path, each guarding one of the 8 directions, forming an invisible circle of energy. Ask anyone who has done this walk. They will tell you something in them changed. Once a year during the festival of Kartika Deepam, a giant flame is lit on top of the hill. It burns throughout the night, visible through miles. Devotees see it as the living form of original column of fire. For those few hours, the entire sky glows orange, and people say the mountain itself breathes light again. Legends also speak of 7 hidden springs flowing beneath this hill. Their exact paths are unknown even today. Some believe these are spiritual channels nourishing the energy field that surrounds Arunachala. Modern seekers describe this mountain as a living energy vortex. They say meditating here feels effortless, as if the hill itself is meditating with you. What sets Arunachalam apart isn't the architecture, the rituals, or the myths. It's the silence. Saints say Arunachala doesn't speak, it makes you silent. That silence has guarded countless seekers to look within. Because the real mystery of Arunachala is not buried under its stones. It's hidden inside every heart that comes here. Maybe that's why they say you don't plan to visit Arunachalam. Arunachalam invites you. When it does, you realize this isn't a temple you go to. It's the truth you awaken to.